I'm going to be in Galatians chapter 2, verse 16. It says, knowing that a man is not justified by the works of the law, but by the faith of Jesus Christ. Even we have believed in Jesus Christ, that we might be justified by the faith of Christ, and not by the works of the law. For by the works of the law shall no flesh be justified. It is only through our faith in Jesus Christ, what he accomplished on Calvary, and rising 3 days later, when he redeemed us back from the power of the devil, and when he was a propitiation, that means he was a sufficient sacrifice unto God, the only sufficient sacrifice unto God to appease his righteous anger against ungodliness. It was all what Jesus did, and it is our faith in what Jesus Christ did. He saved us. We are saved by him. He maintains our salvation by what he accomplished on the cross. Go to chapter 3 of Galatians. In verse 6, Galatians 3:6 says, even as Abraham believed God, and it was counted to him for righteousness. It wasn't Abraham's works. It was his belief in God, his faithfulness in God. When you go back over to 3:17 of Galatians, 3:17, and it says, and this I say, that the covenant that was confirmed before of God in Christ, the law, which was 430 years after, cannot disannul, that it should make the promise of none effect. So in other words, Abraham's faith in God was counted to him for righteousness 430 years before God gave Moses the law. It is not works. It is not our works that save us. It is only God can save us. And that is why he sent his son to die on the cross to save us. Ephesians. Go to the next book, Ephesians chapter 2. In verse 8. For by grace are ye saved through faith, and that not of yourselves, it is the gift of God. Verse 9. Not of works, lest any man should boast. The only work that saves us was Christ's work on the cross. That is what saves. That's what maintains salvation. It is all Jesus Christ. The only thing we added to our salvation was our sin and our faith. Jesus Christ saved us, and he maintains our salvation because his righteous death was sufficient for God.